The Kafka cluster serves as the central hub for all operations. It consists of multiple brokers that work together to store and manage partitions, handle producer and consumer requests, and maintain high availability. Producers send messages to the Kafka cluster. Messages are assigned to specific partitions of a topic based on a partitioning key or a round-robin strategy. In the diagram, the producer sends data to broker 1 or broker 2, depending on partition assignment. Cha 3. Brokers. Broker 1, broker 2, broker 3. Kafka brokers handle the storage and management of topic partitions. Broker 1 and broker 2 store specific partitions of topics. Broker 3 acts as another broker in the cluster for storing additional partitions or replicas. Each broker also manages the leader-follower relationship for partitions. 4. Topic partitions. Topics in Kafka are divided into smaller units called partitions, which distribute data across brokers. Each partition is stored on one or more brokers for load balancing and fault tolerance. Broker 1, Broker 2, and Broker 3 store these partitions, and partitions are replicated for durability. Chapter 5. In-sync replicas, ISR. ISR is a set of replicas that are synchronized with the leader partition. Replicas in the ISR ensure fault tolerance by keeping up-to-date copies of the data. If the leader broker fails, one of the replicas in the ISR is promoted to the leader. 6. Kafka controller. The Kafka controller, a special broker, manages the cluster's metadata and oversees partition leadership. It assigns leaders for partitions, coordinates replication and failover processes. The controller communicates with brokers to ensure smooth operations. 7. Consumer. Consumers retrieve data from topic partitions in the Kafka cluster. They request data from the leader broker of a partition. In the diagram, consumers fetch data from the topic partitions through the broker that currently holds the partition leadership. Key workflows. 1. Producer to broker. The producer sends messages to the Kafka cluster. These messages are routed to the appropriate broker and partition. 2. Partition management. Brokers store and replicate partition data. ISR ensures that partitions remain consistent and durable. 3. Consumer to broker. Consumers fetch data from partition leaders managed by brokers. 4. Leadership management. The Kafka controller assigns and manages partition leaders across brokers. It handles failover by promoting ISR replicas to leader roles when necessary.